Welcome to Mom's Haven! Hi guys! Today I just wanna share with you the unboxing of the nail trimmer we bought from Amazon for just £6 and 30 pence. We purchased this because I am quite afraid of cutting the nails of the tiny fingers of my newborn baby. And I really found this nail trimmer very helpful. As we all know, wearing mittens all the time might stunt or affect our child's development. It is safe and easy to use. You can file the nails quickly, both for baby and mom. It has 6 replaceable rollers. The white is the polishing head. The metal grinding head is for adults. Blue with coarse grinding head for baby above 1 year old. The yellow one, which has fine grinding head, for baby between 0 to 3 months. The pink one is for baby between 4 to 10 months. The cylindrical grinding head is for adults. It is lightweight that is comfortable to hold in hand, made with 1 button and powered by 2 AA batteries. It has a front LED light if you want to use it in the dark. Also, it has a multi-speed for working modes with 2-way rotation, clockwise and counterclockwise. All in all, I really recommend this product to all new moms. It is safe and easy to use. Thank you so much for watching. Share and comment down below and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Please support and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for instant updates. And see you on the next one. Bye!